Nested conditional statements. Nested conditional statement means a conditional statement inside a conditional statement. Syntax for nested if conditional statement. If space condition a colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation. Hash. You can write a block of code here. Hash means comment. It did not execute when we run the program. If space condition B colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation. Pass. Pass is a syntactic placeholder for the purpose of syntax. Let's see some examples. Here in this example, I am taking conditions as boolean values like true or false to understand easily. If space true colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes. If block press enter, if space true colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes. Nested if block press enter, press backspace in keyboard, print off within double quotes, end of nested if block, press enter and press backspace in keyboard, print off within double quotes, end of if block. Let's run this. See, the output is if block, nested if block, end of nested if block, end of if block. In the program, conditions are true. Observe the program carefully, you will understand quickly. Let's see another example. Runs equal to int of input of if space runs greater than 49 colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes half century press enter. If space runs greater than 99 colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes century. Let's run it. I am giving input 50. Press enter. See, the output is half century. Let me explain the example step by step. In the program, runs variable store the 50 value, then it will check if condition, that is 50 greater than 49. Yes, the condition is true, so it printed half century in the output. Next, it will check 50 greater than 99. No, the condition is false. That's why it's not printing century. Let's run it again. I am giving input 100. Press enter. See, the output is half century, century. Let me explain step by step. In the program, variable runs store the 100 value. Then it will check if condition, that is 101 greater than 49. Yes, the condition is true, so it printed half century in the output. Next, it will check nested if condition, that is 100 greater than 99. Yes, the condition is true, so it printed century in the output. Here you can write more than one nested if conditions. Syntax is if space condition a colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash if block of code. Hash means comment that don't execute while running the program. If space condition B colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash first nested if block of code. Press enter. If space condition C colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash second nested if block of code. Press enter. If condition D colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash third nested if block of code. Press enter. Pass. Let's see an example of one or more nested if conditions in if. In this example, I am taking boolean values as conditions. If space true colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes if block press enter. If space true colon press enter, it automatically takes indentation print off within double quotes. First nested if block, press enter. If space true colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Print off within double quotes. Second nested if block, press enter. If space true colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Print off within double quotes. Third nested if block. Let's run it. See, the output is if block. First nested if block, second nested if block, third nested if block. But here you have to remember one thing. According to the problem, you have to write conditions on your own. And also, depending on your problem, write your own nested conditional statements as you require.